What person in history would you most like to take out to dinner?
I feel like Sam would probably take like Martha Stewart because Sam's such like a mama. Like she just like loves to love and take care of people.
Jesus. I have so many questions that I want answers to.
Sam would probably take her somewhere down in like Siesta, one of those beach spots.
Where would I take Jesus for dinner? Probably Mexican. I mean, it's one of my favorites, right? And I know there wasn't tacos in Israel, so maybe he'd enjoy it.
I feel like Sam likes to stay home and just hang out with her dog and watch maybe some movies in the dark and hang out.
What's your favorite way to spend your weekend?
With my dog and friends.
What's your least favorite day of the week?
I never really see Sam have two she's always pretty uppity and happy. But I would say probably Sam's least favorite day of the week's Monday too. I think Sam enjoys her weekends. I think she
Thursday. Yeah, it's our class deadline.
What's a movie that you have seen more than 10 times?
maybe like one of those like Halloween Town or something. I don't know why that comes to
Silence of the Lambs. So when I was little, I wanted to be a profiler.
see Sam jamming like Freebird. I just feel like she's like a free little soul, and I mean it's hard not to like Leonard Skinner. So
Oh, there's so many. Anything Billy Joel. He's my absolute favorite because he's a storyteller.